Hi guys, welcome to another video of my tutorial. Now for this integral x on x plus 1 dx, to integrate this we do some easy manipulation here. You could decide to try to do the substitution, but it wouldn't work easily because when you differentiate you'll still be having this x there, this variable x there. Okay, unless you decide to change to another variable which will still be repeating itself. So the easiest way to do it, it's just x plus 1 here. So you change the numerator, you express the numerator in terms of the denominator as well. So you have x plus 1 in the denominator, but for the numerator there is no plus 1. Okay, so you can introduce that constant plus 1. Okay, but when you introduce the constant plus 1 you change the numerator. So since it's an addition, so we introduce an identity element. Okay, so we introduce an identity which is 0. So we introduce 0. So you have the integral of x plus 0. So you will write the 0 in terms of the plus 1. So it will be the inverse of positive 1. So the sum of the positive 1 and its inverse. So plus 1 minus 1. So that is 0 on x plus 1 dx. In this case you have the same expression of this, but this is which is written in a different form. So in this you can clearly see that you have x plus 1, which is the same thing as this here 1, the denominator here. So you've kind of expressed the numerator in terms to be similar to the denominator. So we now use this to solve. So you have the integral of, so you pick this as one term, so you have integral of x plus 1 on x plus 1, then this, so that will be minus, then you have the 1 on x plus 1. So all dx in such a way that when you solve this you end up getting this back. So you've not done any changes there, so just that you manipulate it to look similar. Alright, so we can now integrate each separately. So this on the left hand side here will give us 1 because they cancel out, so you have 1. So you have the integral of dx, then minus the integral of 1 on x plus 1 and dx. So you integrate this side, you get x, minus you integrate this, you have ln absolute of x plus 1 plus the constants. So you have this, and that's all. Thank you.